Copilot Chat, debugging without panic. Let me start with the feeling every developer knows. Your code works locally, tests are passing, tagging looks fine, then production breaks. Logs are now noisy, stack, trace are unclear. The person who wrote the code is no longer on the team. This is where panic starts. And traditionally, debugging here looks like open Stack Overflow, search random error messages, read half relevant answers from 2017, slap console logs everywhere, and hope nothing else breaks. GitHub Copilot changes this entire experience. This is where Copilot stop being helpful and become dangerous in a good way. What Copilot Chat actually is? Copilot Chat is not just ChatGPT inside your ID. It's ChatGPT with context. It understands the file you are in, the method you selected, related files in the repo, framework patterns, and your project structure. You don't describe the problem in abstract terms. You just select a code, ask a question, get an answer grounded in your system. This alone changes how debugging feels. Debugging without leaving the ID. Let's walk through a realistic scenario. Imagine this. You are a backend developer working on a Springboard service for a fintech product in India. Production alert fires at 11:30 p.m. Error, null pointer exception, and location transition service.java. You open the file, the method is 120 line long. It touches 3 repositories. It modifies state in 2 places. Traditionally, you'd start reading line by line. With Copilot, you do something different. You select the method, you ask, why could this method throw a null pointer exception in production, but not locally? Copilot Chat responds, highlights nullable dependency, points out conditional paths only triggered with real data, explain assumptions made in the code, and suggest where to add guards. You don't search the internet, you don't context switch, you stayed inside the code. That's the shift. Understanding legacy code without the fear. Now let's talk about legacy system. This is where Indian teams spend a huge amount of time. Large Java applications written over 10 to 12 years, minimal comments, multiple authors, no one fully understanding the system. Let's take a scenario here. You are assigned a bug in a module you've never touched. The code is dense, variable names are unclear, business logic is intertwined with infrastructure codes. Instead of guessing, you select a block and ask, explain what this code does in simple terms. Copilot Chat summarizes the logic step by step, explains intent, not syntax, points out side effects, mentions assumptions made by the original author. This doesn't replace reading codes, it accelerates comprehensions. Instead of spending 1 hour just understanding what's going on, you get oriented in 5 minutes. That's not magic, that's leverage. Debugging race conditions on edge cases. Here's another real world scenario. You are working on a Node.js API handling. Concurrent request. Occasionally, users see inconsistent data. No clear errors, no reproducible steps. You suspect a race condition. You select the relevant assigned system and ask, are there any potential race conditions or concurrency issues here? Copilot responds it with identify shared mutable state, points out missing logs or awaits, explains timing dependent behavior, and suggests safer patterns. This is the kind of insight juniors struggle with and seniors don't have time to explain. Copilot doesn't replace seniors, it reduces dependency. Writing unit tests without dreading it. Let's talk about the unit tests now. Most developers don't hate tests, they hate starting tests. You open a file, you stare at a blank screen. With Copilot Chat, the workflow changes. You select a service class. You ask, write unit tests for this class including edge cases. On this, Copilot Chat replies with identifies dependency, suggests mocks, covered happy path, and includes failure scenario. Here's another scenario we can talk about. A developer in a SaaS startup needs to increase coverage before a release. Time is tight. Instead of writing everything manually, Copilot gets them 70% there in minutes. They review, they adjust, they ship with confidence. This isn't laziness, it removes friction. Refactoring without breaking things. Refactoring is scary, especially in production system. You want to clean things up, but you are afraid of side effects. Copilot Chat helps here in a subtle but powerful way. You select a method, you ask, how can this be refactored for readability without changing behavior? Copilot suggests smaller methods, identify duplicated logics, improve naming, and keep logic intact. Let's talk about another scenario. A mid level developer is asked to improve maintainability of a billing module. Instead of risking rewrites, Copilot Chat guides safe, incremental improvement, refactoring becomes less emotional and more mechanical. Copilot Chat as a second brain. Think of Copilot as a second brain that never forget context, never gets tired, never judges question. You can simply ask, is this null safe? What happens if this API returns empty? Is this thread safe and can this cause memory leak? These are the questions developers should ask but often don't due to time pressure. Copilot makes asking cheap. Why this matter for team dynamic? Here's an underrated impact. Copilot Chat reduces the buzz factor. When knowledge lives only in senior engineers' head, team moves slowly. With Copilot Chat, juniors unblock themselves faster. Seniors spend less time on repetitive explanation and code reviews focus on logic, not basics. This improves morale on both sides. Let's talk about common mistake which Copilot Chat is. Now, a warning. Copilot Chat is powerful but not infallible. Mistake 1. Trusting answers blindly. Always verify logics. Mistake 2. Asking vague questions. Specifying question gets better answers. Mistake 3. Using it instead of learning. Use it to understand, not to avoid thinking. Copilot Chat is an assistant, not an authority. Debugging without panic. The biggest change Copilot Chat bring isn't speed. It's emotional. Debugging stop feeling like chaos. You are no longer alone with a broken system at odd hours. You have a tool that explains, suggests, guides, and calm. That matter more than people realize. Here's a closing thought. GitHub Copilot Chat doesn't replace senior engineers. It doesn't eliminate debugging. What it does is removing panic. It turns debugging from a guessing game into a guided conversation with your code. You stay responsible, you stay in control, but you are no longer stuck. That's not autocomplete. That's an engineering partner.